It has been way too long since I did a huge collective shopping haul, so let's do one. Hi guys, what's up, it's Bella? Welcome to my channel. I have a huge collective haul for you guys for today's video. I have been collecting this stuff for the past 2 weeks and I can't wait to show it to you guys. As always, everything that I talk about is linked down below for you guys to shop, and without further ado, let's do a little shopping haul. Starting off strong with some Hokas. I needed some new sneakers and I love the Hoka Bondi 8s, but they dropped some Bondi 9s, so of course I had to get them. Here are the Bondi 9s. I got these from Free People because I saw them on Free People first. I love them so much. These are seriously the most comfortable sneakers and I am so happy that they have a new version. To my knowledge, Free People only has an all black pair and then this pair, but on Hoka's website they have a ton of other colors. But I am a size 8 in these, true to size, and they're seriously the best sneakers for going on walks, even going on runs, or also just daily like running errands. If you have these, you know and love them. They're just the best. I have one outfit from Lulu. I placed this as an online order. I have the Lululemon high-rise 25-inch pants. These are size 4 and they look like this. It is what my boyfriend calls a dirty pool pant. He literally thinks this looks like a dirty pool, but I think they're cute. So I got these, size 4, love them. And then I got the Flow Y bra to match them. Looks like this. I just like love a little tie-dye moment. Like, I think these are beautiful and I really like them. I don't know. I love a good matching set, okay? I'm a sucker for a matching set. I do have a PR package that I want to open and it's from Ralph Lauren. So excited for this package. This is their second time sending me a fragrance, so very happy about this. But this is the Ralph Lauren Romance, the new elixir. It's got lychee, rose, and benzoin in it. I think that's how I'm saying it. And it's supposed to be a very intoxicating, warm experience. It's supposed to be addictive with burning rose, juicy fruit liquor, and warm amber with some woody notes. So let's open her. Let's smell her. Oh, wait. Am I a bot? I slide it. I obviously should not have even tried opening that. Who am I? Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so like seductive looking. Let's give her a smell. I am excited. Smell. Ooh. Ooh, I smell the lychee in that. That's really good. Wow. It's the perfect mix of a rose smell, which rose is such a good perfume, with a good, rich, seductive, romantic smell. Wait guys, I really like that. That is so amazing. I will be wearing that very often. Thank you, Ralph Lauren, for sending me that. I am obsessed. So good. Next up, I have a PR package from the brand DIVI. I believe I'm saying that right. It's the scalp serum. It's supposed to revitalize and detoxify. Y'all know I love oiling my hair on my hair wash days. It's just really helped my scalp with buildup, growth. So I'm really excited to try this. Apparently it's a bestseller. It's supposed to nourish the scalp, help reduce product oil and buildup, and also improve the appearance of thinning hair. So I can't wait to try it. I love the packaging. It's very, very, very nice. That smells so good. It smells like peppermint and tea tree oil. I'm excited to try this and I will let you guys know how I love it. I definitely would love to do a updated hair care routine on hair growth because your girl has thick, long, beautiful, luscious hair and I'm very proud of it. And I want to do a little video on how I've had to keep it healthy and keep the hair growth. I haven't ordered from Revolve in a hot minute, at least 2 months, which is honestly a very long time because I am a Revolve girly. So we have quite a big order from Revolve. First up, we have the Lovers and Friends shorts. These look like this. They kind of look like boxers. They did not look like this online. Like when I pulled up the photo of these, did not look like boxers. But either way, I think I'm gonna like them. It's like a light yellow, has a nice scrunchy band. I have a size medium, but I probably could do a small. Looks like a very good length, but I got it because the sweater that went with it, I loved the way it was like paired on the model. This is a Free People sweater. Look how cute, very classy. I really love modest outfits. It's just my thing now, and dressing to be modest and covering up a little bit more. So I feel like this sweater is super cute. I saw it on the model zipped up or like buttoned up, and then they had one buttoned at the top and then the rest open. So I love it so much. This is really beautiful. I think I'm gonna love it. I gotta try it on though, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Also love this chocolate brown. I also got this one. Thought this was a really beautiful color. Again, you can wear it buttoned up all the way or just one button, but it looks really nice. I think they're gonna look good on me. And last but not least, I've always wanted something from Love Shack Fancy, like for their outfits. I have a bunch of their clothing. I have all their perfumes. Like I have all their beauty stuff, and I have like a robe from them that I love, but I really have been wanting a workout set. So I got this one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it or not. I'm gonna have to try it on to see how it fits me. But we have the Windsor Petal Print Mix. I have this little halter bra. Again, I have to see how this fits my huge boobs, but this is what we're looking like. I love the halter. I also love the mix of the pink and blue print. Very cute. And then we've got the leggings, have a size medium, and again, it's the Highland legging. It's the Windsor petal print, and they look like this. So I don't know, I can't tell if I like am obsessed or if I hate it. I don't know until I try it on, but I got this and I feel like it's gonna be cute, but again, you never know until you try it on. Like, it could be a total dud. I know that might not seem like a lot from Revolve, but that was like $600 because Revolve is very expensive, but I am excited to try on this outfit and see how I love these sweaters. Let's open this really huge package. I went and picked this up today at the mall. This is one of my pre-order items from the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami collection that just dropped. If you're interested, I have already done a haul from everything that I bought, but I also just did a what's in my high-rise bum bag. And then of course I have this bag, and then I'm going to be showing you guys a comparison of the original duffel bag compared to this bag because I have both, which is super cool. Here we are. This is a beautiful, beautiful keepall. Genuinely curious if my phone, it fits. Wait, that is so cool. My phone literally fits in this pocket, and I have like the 16 Pro Max. Like, that's really cool. Okay, anyways, back to the bag. This is so beautiful. It has the gold trunk pieces on the corners. And again, I have the original, so I'm definitely gonna be doing a comparison video because I think it's really cool that I have the original and I now have like the anniversary edition. Love this print so much. I just love this bag. I love a good duffel, and it is very, very beautiful. It was quite expensive, can't even lie, but it's completely worth it because look at this thing. Next up, we have a PR package from Farmacy, it looks like, and I have already opened it, but I didn't like see what the product was, so we're gonna see it together. Wow, look, we have a little gentle and we have a deep cleansing balm slash foam, I guess. Gotta correct myself. We have a gentle cleansing cycle creamy cleanser. I am really excited to try that. I'm literally gonna try it tonight. And then we have a deep cleansing cycle one. So this is gonna be the new one. And then this is one that has, I guess, already come out. So the new one is supposed to be creamy, hydrating, and it removes any makeup impurities without stripping the skin of essential moisture. And it's also fragrance free, which honestly I really appreciate because I don't like putting a lot of fragrance on my face. If you guys have tried any of these products, let me know how you love them, but I'm definitely gonna be trying these out. Thank you so much, Farmacy, one of my favorite brands. We also have a PR package from Urban Decay, which is honestly so crazy that I have a PR package from Urban Decay. Like, wow, that's just like really, really, really cool. I have already opened it because I am a little impatient, but I'm still gonna show it to you guys. Here's a little pamphlet talking about what they have, but it's the Drip in the Light. It's their new Face Bond Illuminizers, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, they gave me every single color. You can use them as a highlighter, mix with a foundation, use it as a body oil, or an eyeshadow topper. We love a versatile product. And it says to turn off the light, so I'm gonna turn off the light so we can open the package. All right, now it's really dark in here. You can see how that light does a lot for me. Obviously this one's on still, but let's, whoa. That is very cool, wow. Amazing. Back with the light on. Again, here are all the products. We have a beautiful gold, an iridescent with pink, a little champagne, bronze. We have some darker ones, and then we have a little all-nighter setting spray, which you guys know I love my all-nighter setting spray. I love the watermelon one, but obviously this one is so good too. It's just the OG. It's so good. This is so cool. I love it so much. Thank you so much, Urban Decay, and I cannot wait to try these out. Last but not least, we have a lot from the SKIMS Valentine's Day collection, so let's open it. It literally just came today, and I didn't get everything because honestly, it wasn't my favorite. Like, last year was way more of my favorite, but I did get some gems. Ah, love a good SKIMS haul. Love it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Definitely the best print that came out with this collection is the candied heart print. Like, it's perfect. So we have the Soft Lounge Rib Sleep Set. I have a size medium, and it's the Cloud Candy Heart print. I love it so much. I was honestly debating getting the short set, but I just love the material so much that I love the long sets. They're so comfortable, and they all say something funny or something cute. So one says text me, one it says I date me, ride or die, be mine. There's just a bunch of different ones on here, honestly. So bright and so fun, love it. And then of course the matching pants. Love so much, how cute. I probably could have done a size small in this outfit, honestly, but love a good oversized lounge set. There's nothing like it. I always pick up a little pack of undies because I love getting new undies. I can't stand old ones. So I got this little pack, and this is the Fits Everybody Boy Short Pack, Flaming Heart Multi, size medium. I always love how they're packaged in there. They're so beautiful. These are literally my favorite undies to wear to bed. They look like grandma panties, but they're literally the most comfortable. So we have a Flaming Hearts one, red, a very beautiful pink. We have kind of like a fuchsia purple, and then we have a lighter colored purple one with the Flaming Hearts. Obviously had to get red because of the Fire Me, my parents' company. So I had to get this one. I got this one in the short sleeve set because I just thought it was so cute. Look at that. I love it, and I love the little Skims embroidery right there. And then we have the matching shorts, again, size medium. I'm literally probably gonna wear this to bed tonight. Like, it is so cute. I love it. Love anything from this like whole material line. And last but not least, I got my boyfriend some boxers. These are the Skims Stretch 3-pack boxers. There's pink, there's gray, and there's black. You guys, that is it for this haul. I feel like that was honestly a lot of stuff, and I'm so excited to put it all away and wear those Skims pajamas tonight. Thank you to all the brands who sent me stuff. I can't wait to try it out and see how I love it and give everyone my honest opinions. As always, everything is linked down below for direct purchase, like I always say. And my quote of the day is, it's comeback season. It was on my Pinterest board right there. I'm gonna say it, it's comeback season. You sit, you watch, you put in the hard work, and you will have a comeback season. Promise you, guaranteed. All you gotta do is lock in and be true to yourself, and you will have the best season of your life. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Mwah.